Hello everybody, John with A1 Tool. Today I want to cover how it is that we attach the hubs or spindles to our tool shafts so that you can use a ratcheting handle, whether it's the off-the-shelf ratchet handle that we sell or the Gorilla Grip that we sell as well. I'll show you how we do it. Not rocket science, but we do have a process and procedure that we've developed, kind of a trial and error type of thing. And so we want to share how it is that we do it so that you don't make some of the mistakes that we did initially. What we do is we take a piece of all thread. The internal thread on the spindle is 1/2 13. So we take a piece of 1/2 inch all thread and we will drill out the center of that all thread to whatever diameter of tool it is that we are trying to attach to. This particular tool is 3/8, and we actually turn the end down to 5/16 so that we still have enough wall thickness to accommodate and have strength there. So we are going to put that piece of all thread like that, and we are going to TIG that piece of all thread to the end of the tool shaft. And we're using a TIG so that we don't add material, because this has got to thread into the spindle. So we're not wanting to add material, but we're wanting to secure the tool shaft to this piece of all thread. That is the strength of the tool. We also don't want to crystallize the metal. And by TIGging it here on the end, we are achieving that. If you try to weld up here around this part of the tool, you're going to crystallize the metal and it's going to break as you use the tool. And so directing the heat down here toward the end of the tool prevents that from happening. Once that's attached by TIG, we then will thread that onto the spindle. We will take one of our handles and we will clock it so that we are exactly at 0 degrees. And that is where we're going to weld or TIG that piece of all thread to the hub. Again, not directing heat toward the tool shaft, because we do not want that thing crystallizing and breaking. And you can kind of see that the weld doesn't really touch the tool shaft because the tool shaft has been attached to that piece of all thread in back. So then we attach the threaded piece, the all thread, to the hub. And there you go. So now you can use your Gorilla Grip or whatever it is that you're going to use. This is a door lord. Probably don't need that much handle on that one, but that's how we do it. Not rocket science, as I said, but certainly we wanted to share with you so that you don't end up running a bunch of your existing tools by trying to put the spindles on there. We charge $20 just for the labor it takes to attach one of the spindles to an existing tool shaft. If you have more than one, we might get a little more economically friendly with you if you're doing more than one tool. But if you're just doing one tool, it'd be $20 plus whatever it is that you spend on getting the spindle. Thanks.